Battle of the Blenders, Ninja bn751 versus Vitamix e310 versus NutriBullet Pro 900. Looking for the ultimate kitchen companion? Let's compare three top blenders to find your perfect match. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, or soups, the right blender can be a game changer. Let's uncover the strengths and weaknesses of the Ninja bn751, Vitamix e310, and NutriBullet Pro 900. The Ninja bn751 dazzles with its 1400-watt motor and 3 Auto IQ programs. From crushing ice to creamy drinks, it's highly versatile. Its 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for families, and the two 24-ounce to-go cups ensure convenience. But is it powerful enough to compete against premium models? Let's see. The Vitamix E310 is a powerhouse. Its 48-ounce container is perfect for consistent professional-grade blends. Known for durability and smooth operation, it tackles tough ingredients like a pro. For those seeking simplicity, the NutriBullet Pro 900 might be your go-to. Compact yet powerful with 900 watts, it's ideal for single-serve smoothies and simple tasks. While affordable and space-saving, is it versatile enough for diverse kitchen needs? Time to put it to the test. We've covered power, versatility, performance, and price. Now it's your turn. Which blender fits your lifestyle and budget? Comment your favorite below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unbiased product reviews. Your perfect blend awaits. Choose wisely.